welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Sophia, and today we are going to talk about ordering food.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Sophia, do you enjoy eating at restaurants?
Yes, I do. I love trying different foods.
Me too.
What kind of food do you like?
I like pizza and noodles.
That sounds delicious.
What about you?
I enjoy burgers and fried rice.
Yum, those are popular foods.
Yes, they are.
Do you often order food at restaurants?
Yes, especially on weekends.
Do you usually eat alone or with friends?
I usually eat with friends or family.
Eating together is fun.
I agree.
What do you say when you enter a restaurant?
I usually say, "Hello, table for two, please."
That is a useful sentence.
Yes, many people use it.
What happens next?
The waiter shows us a table.
Then do you read the menu?
Yes, always.
Menus can have many choices.
That is true.
Is it difficult for you to choose food?
Sometimes.
Me too.
Everything looks delicious.
Exactly.
What drink do you usually order?
I usually order orange juice.
Nice choice. What about you?
I like iced tea,
Refreshing drinks are great.
especially on hot days.
Do you like spicy food?
A little.
I love spicy food.
Really?
Yes, spicy noodles are my favorite.
Wow, that sounds exciting.
What do you usually order at fast food restaurants?
I usually order fries and a burger.
Classic choice. What about you?
I order chicken and soft drinks.
That sounds tasty.
Do you ever order food online?
Yes, very often.
Online food delivery is very popular now.
Yes, it is easy and fast.
What apps do you use?
I use food delivery apps on my phone.
Me too.
Do you cook at home often?
Sometimes.
Cooking at home can save money,
That is true.
but ordering food is convenient.
I agree.
Have you ever ordered the wrong food?
Yes, one time.
Really?
I wanted chicken soup, but I ordered spicy soup.
Oh no.
It was very spicy.
That sounds funny.
We can learn from mistakes.
Exactly.
What do waiters usually ask?
They often ask, "What would you like to order?"
Very useful sentence.
Yes, beginners should learn it.
Another useful sentence is, "Can I have a glass of water?"
People use that sentence often.
Let's give another example.
Great idea.
I would like a cheeseburger, please.
Very polite and natural.
Polite English is important.
I agree.
Let's learn some English together.
Okay.
The word menu means a list of food and drinks.
Example sentence, "Please look at the menu."
Excellent.
Another useful word is order.
Order means to ask for food or drinks.
Example sentence, "I want to order pizza."
Great example.
Let's talk about grammar now.
Sure.
We often use would like when ordering food.
Yes, it sounds polite.
Example, "I would like some coffee."
Another example, she would like a salad.
Excellent.
Let's practice more examples.
Okay.
He would like a sandwich.
They would like 2 pizzas.
Very good.
Let's learn more vocabulary.
Great.
Waiter is a man who serves food.
Waitress is a woman who serves food.
Example sentence, "The waiter brought our drinks."
Nice example.
Another word is bill.
The bill shows how much money we pay.
Example sentence, "Can we have the bill, please?"
Very useful sentence.
Yes, people use it every day.
Let's practice pronunciation.
Good idea.
Repeat after us. Restaurant.
Restaurant.
Very good.
Another word is vegetable.
Say it slowly. Veg, bowl.
Great job, everyone.
Keep practicing every day.
Practice makes progress.
Sophia, what is your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate cake.
Yum, that sounds delicious.
What about you?
I like ice cream.
What flavor?
Chocolate flavor.
Chocolate is very popular.
Yes, it is.
Do you share food with friends?
Sometimes.
Sharing food can be fun.
especially when trying new dishes.
I agree.
Have you ever eaten very expensive food?
Only once.
What did you eat?
Steak and seafood.
Wow, fancy food.
Yes, but it tasted amazing.
That sounds interesting.
What about you?
I usually eat simple food.
Simple food can still be delicious.
Absolutely.
Do you eat breakfast outside sometimes?
Yes, I sometimes buy sandwiches and coffee,
Breakfast restaurants can feel relaxing.
especially in the morning.
Do you tip waiters in restaurants?
Sometimes.
Tipping is common in some countries.
That is true.
Good service deserves kindness.
I agree.
What about our listeners?
Yes, what food do you usually order?
Please write your answer in the comments.
Tell us your favorite food too.
Maybe some people love pizza,
Or noodles.
or sushi and burgers.
Everyone has different tastes.
That is true.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, it really supports our channel.
Thank you for learning English with us.
We're happy you're here.
Let's continue.
Okay.
Do you enjoy trying food from different countries?
Yes, I enjoy international food.
What food have you tried?
Italian pasta and Japanese sushi.
Nice.
What about you?
I like Mexican tacos.
Tacos are delicious.
Yes, they are.
Have you ever cooked restaurant-style food at home?
Yes, but it was difficult.
Cooking takes practice,
That is true,
but homemade food feels special.
especially with family.
I agree.
Do you eat healthy food often?
I try my best.
Me too.
Vegetables and fruit are important.
Healthy food gives us energy.
Exactly.
What time do you usually eat dinner?
Around 7 p.m.
Same here.
Eating together is a nice activity.
Family dinners are special.
Yes, they are.
What is the most difficult part of ordering food in English?
Sometimes understanding fast speech.
I understand.
Listening practice can help.
Absolutely.
Beginners should practice simple conversations.
Like ordering food.
Exactly.
Let's practice one short conversation.
Great idea.
Hello, can I take your order?
Yes, I would like a burger and fries, please.
Would you like a drink?
Yes, orange juice, please.
Very natural.
Simple English is useful.
Definitely.
Do you enjoy cafes?
Yes, cafes feel relaxing.
I like studying at cafes.
Coffee and quiet music feel nice.
I agree.
Do you prefer eating at home or restaurants?
Sometimes home, sometimes restaurants.
Good answer.
What about you?
I enjoy both too.
Different places give different experiences.
That is true.
Let's ask our listeners another question.
Okay.
Do you prefer spicy food or sweet food?
Please tell us in the comments.
We're excited to read your answers.
Today, we talked about many food and restaurant topics.
Yes, we talked about menus, waiters, drinks, and useful English phrases.
We also practiced grammar and pronunciation.
I hope everyone learned something useful today.
I think they did.
English learning can be simple and enjoyable.
Absolutely.
Practice speaking every day.
Small practice makes big improvement.
Do not be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes help us learn.
That is very true.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
We hope you enjoy your next meal.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.